My name is Mitch Parker. I'm the CBD Maintenance gardener. Just landed this job about 7 months ago. So currently we're looking after 2,500 square metres of garden beds. That's a total of 100 garden beds. A typical day is me getting up about 3:15, at work by 4, in the street sweeper, picking up all the litter, broken glass, McDonald's rubbish, then it's to me ute with the pressure washer, and we're cleaning up soft drinks, do I say it? Vomit, faeces, or you name it, we've seen it all down there. That time it's probably about 8 o'clock, so it's all done by the time you get out of bed. Then it's onto the garden beds for the rest of the day, looking after the irrigation, hedging. So some of the other responsibilities I have is graffiti at downtown and at the skate park. We've got 6 roundabouts and 5 car parks to look after. I also look after the theatre and the CAB, 69 Church Street as well. The current machinery we have is a specialised street sweeper, I could say. We designed to get on in and around on the footpaths and that to pick up all the rubbish. And we have a combined thing with another division where they've got a larger street sweeper which does the gutters and that. And my ute's set up with a 600 litre water tank pressure washer on it. Interesting part of my job is probably some of the satisfaction you get from the public down here. You're always in the eye that it looks good, they'll let you know, and if there's something broken also they'll let you know where you can improve and that. Yeah, there's one bloke down here that does his same walk every single morning. I see him at the same spot every day. If members of the public see something that needs attending to, if they could contact customer service, and I'll get it done for you.